Saw a lot of high fashion last night, black tie event, humanitarian of the year for the United Way of the Convention Center, and Martha Scott Smith was the humanitarian of the year, and what a wonderful lady with AT&T. She does so many things for so many people. All right, here is our lovely lake view of Lake Murray. Temperature at the present time 67, dew point 45, humidity 45%. We have good winds out of the southwest at 12, and the barometer is falling because we do have a frontal system that's going to be coming in, and it's going to be creating a rather sloppy weekend. We're talking about the possibility of severe weather. We're talking about the possibility of high winds, and it's going to be very wet tonight and Saturday. Very heavy rain, possibly up to 3 inches in some areas. Showers for Sunday, and then that word that causes panic or either joy, the possibility of some snow. All right, morning lows were 53 because of the cloud cover keeping the heat of the night in. 49 degrees in Beaufort to give you a range. And First Citizens report, well, let's see this morning. Well, there it was, but thank you, First Citizens. We're going right now to the main ingredients in our weather, which will be making the changes, so please pay attention, and I do hope you have a weather alert radio. If not, do get one, just in case. All right, the low is in the eastern lakes. The frontal system extends back into Texas, and there is severe weather occurring right now from Arkansas all the way to Alabama, and you can see heavy rain and will continue to occur this afternoon as the low continues to move to the northeast and the front begins to get a little closer, and behind it is much colder air. Now on Saturday we are expecting a low pressure system to develop and become stationary right over South Carolina, but during the weekend it will continue to move to the northeast. But as it moves to the northeast, it will be bringing back colder air into the moisture, and then there's that possibility of snow Sunday night into Monday morning. So keep it right here at Wis-TV or look at us on the web. There is a slight risk of severe weather Saturday in most of the southeast, including South Carolina. Doesn't look good for the baseball game tomorrow with Clemson and Carolina, and we'll just have to wait and see, but we are in the 60s. Now, here is the schedule. Now, this is what we're expecting over the next several days, so look at it. It looks very much like rain starting this afternoon and tonight. 80% chance tomorrow. Windy as that front approaches. The low developing Saturday, and a possibility of rain and windy conditions on Sunday. High of only 44 degrees. And then as that colder air comes in and the low develops and moves on off, we're expecting the possibility of some white fluffy, a little bit of snow, and I'm not very excited about that because I'm ready for spring. But it's not going to be spring the next few days. It's going to be very much like Punxsutawney Phil, the groundhog said, 6 more weeks of winter weather.
He said it. He said we'd have to hold our britches.
That's right. Hey, so March coming in like a lion.
The book festival is indoors, and Saturday morning there's a wonderful forum with Fritz Hollings and Jack Bass.